Okay, let's talk about something we've all felt. That feeling when you're shouting into the social media void. Yeah, that. Well, if that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we're ditching the megaphone. Instead, we're going to become master translators, learning to speak the unique language of every single platform so your message actually lands. Let's dive in.
So, have you ever spent hours, maybe even days, crafting what you think is the perfect piece of content? You post it, you're excited, and then nothing. Just crickets. It is so frustrating. But here's a thought. What if the problem isn't your content at all? What if it's the language you're using? Think of it this way. Every social media platform is like its own country, with its own culture and its own language. What's hilarious and celebrated in one country might be totally ignored or even offensive in another.
So our whole goal here is to turn you into what I'm calling a digital diplomat. We're going to learn the local customs, the slang, the native tongue of each of these digital nations. That way, your message isn't just heard, it's actually welcomed and embraced.
All right, first stop on our world tour, the fast-paced, high-energy lands of virality. We're talking Instagram and TikTok. In this part of the world, trends are literally born and can die in a matter of days. Speed is everything, and if you don't grab someone's attention in the first couple of seconds, you're a history.
Okay, so let's break this down, because on the surface, they seem kind of similar, right? But they are fundamentally different. Instagram, that's like a high-end, curated art gallery. It rewards consistency, a beautiful, polished aesthetic. You know, carousels are fantastic for getting people to save your content, and Reels are your absolute ticket to reaching new people. TikTok, on the other hand, it's a chaotic, vibrant, amazing street festival. Authenticity and speed are the only currency that matter. And honestly, raw, unfiltered, spur-of-the-moment content almost always connects more deeply than something that looks like it took weeks to produce.
So how do you get your art hung in the Instagram gallery? Well, here's the playbook. First, the algorithm loves it when you use all its shiny new toys, so you got to mix it up. But, and this is huge, pay super close attention to that first hour after you post. Jumping in and responding to comments right away tells the algorithm, hey, people are talking about this. And of course, Reels are your growth engine. You really got to be posting them pretty much daily using whatever audio is trending that week.
Now, over at the TikTok Street Festival, the rules are totally different. Volume is the name of the game. Posting multiple times a day keeps you top of mind. But the single most important thing, and I cannot stress this enough, is the hook. You have maybe 1 to 3 seconds to stop that endless scroll. And here's a pro tip that might blow your mind. Never, ever delete your old videos. The TikTok algorithm is a mysterious beast. It can literally decide that a video you posted 6 months ago is going to go viral tonight. It's wild.
Okay, let's pack our bags and travel to our next destination, the nation of community. And that, of course, is Facebook. This is the place where you go to build deeper conversations and a truly loyal following.
Now, I know what you might be thinking. Facebook, isn't that over? A lot of people have written it off, and let me tell you, that is a huge mistake. As our source material points out, it's one of the most underrated territories out there right now. Why? Well, there's often way less competition for people's attention, and you're speaking to an audience that, let's be honest, generally has more spending power. It's a different game, and it can be a really valuable one.
So what's the local dialect on Facebook? Well, just like its sister platform, Instagram, Facebook is pushing Reels really, really hard. But its true superpower, it's all about community. Facebook groups are unbelievably powerful for building a dedicated, loyal tribe. So the ultimate goal here, the real way to win, is to create content, whether it's a reel or even a longer video, that's so helpful or so entertaining that people just feel compelled to share it in their own groups. That's the magic formula.
Our final journey takes us to the twin continents of knowledge, YouTube and Pinterest. Now, this is a huge mental shift. You have to understand that these aren't just social platforms. They are massive, powerful search engines. People don't just stumble upon your content here. They come with intent. They are actively looking for answers, for inspiration, for how-to guides. In this chart right here, this explains everything about YouTube. You could literally make the greatest video in the history of the world, a cinematic masterpiece, but if your title and your thumbnail don't make someone click, it might as well not exist. 80% of the battle is just getting them to press play. The packaging is almost more important than the product because it's what gets people in the door.
To speak YouTube's language, you have to start thinking like a search engine. Your titles need to use the exact words and phrases people are typing into that search bar.
Your thumbnails need to be so eye-catching they stop someone in their tracks. And once they do click, you've got about 30 seconds to prove to them they made the right choice. And here's a great little tip. Don't wait until the very end to ask for a subscription. Ask for it right after you've delivered a really juicy piece of value in the middle of the video.
And you know what? Pinterest plays the exact same game, just with pictures. You should think of every single pin as its own little web page that needs to be perfectly optimized for search. Every single part of it, the title, the description, even the text you overlay on the image itself, is another chance to use the keywords your audience is looking for. That's all data that helps Pinterest connect your idea directly to the person who needs it. Okay, whew, that was a whirlwind tour, right? We've been to all these different lands, learned all these different languages, and it probably sounds exhausting. I get it. But what if you had a tool? What if you had a kind of universal translator that could take your one core message and instantly adapt it for every single one of these platforms?
This right here is the absolute key. This is the Rosetta Stone for our modern digital diplomat. It's a way to create your amazing content just once and then natively adapt it so it speaks the local language everywhere, saving you, countless hours of work.
So what is it? We're calling it the Platform-Specific Content Adapter, but really, it's just a super smart master prompt. You can feed it one single idea, a blog post, a video concept, whatever, and it will rework it, reformat it, and basically translate it for each social media culture. The goal is to make sure your content feels native and powerful wherever you decide to post it. And just look at what this thing does for you. It's not just copying and pasting text. No way. It's intelligently building you an Instagram reel with the right hook and call to action. It's suggesting a trending sound for your TikTok, it's formatting a shareable post for Facebook, it's optimizing a title for YouTube Short, and even outlining a whole thread for X. It does all the heavy lifting, all that translation work for you.
So, all of this brings us to the real strategic shift, the big idea. Your new mission, if you choose to accept it, is to stop thinking of yourself as a broadcaster and start acting like a digital diplomat.
Because that's what this all boils down to. It's such a simple but powerful idea. We have to stop just broadcasting one single message into the void and hoping that someone out there is listening. Instead, we need to show up in each of these digital nations, show respect for their culture, speak their language, and focus on building real, genuine connections. That is how you win.
So I'll leave you with this one question to think about. Your next big idea, that next piece of content you're so excited about that goes live tomorrow. Which language is it going to speak first? And more importantly, how are you going to translate it for all the others? The mission is yours.